What's up, guys? Today we are going to combine um, circles, squares, and triangles into the ultimate image. I promised this a while back, and let's go. So first of all, you're gonna want to draw a square. Oops, that's too light. A square. Doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect, guys. It's just got to be a square. Once you have a square, you're gonna draw a circle. Now, once you have a circle, you're gonna draw two rectangles. And rectangles are just long squares, guys. Don't worry about it. But yeah. So it's that easy. Now draw another rectangle, another circle, some more rectangles. That's not a rectangle. Let me fix that. There you go, rectangle, rectangle, more rectangle. It's that easy. And what do we have? Put two more circles. Circle, circle, rectangle, triangle, more triangles, guys. Now, it's that easy, honestly. You got hair, you got eyes. Let's zoom in here. I'll show you how to do closer eyes. Circle, more circle, more circle, rectangle. Split this into two rectangles, split this into squares, and you got a mouth. Circles for biceps, shoulders, and long circles for forearms, guys. It's that easy. Put a triangle here, and a triangle here, and a circle here. And as you can see, it's looking pretty good. You want a rectangle like here for the neck. And yeah, now what you're gonna do, guys, is you got the basic form of a human down. So you're gonna lower the opacity. And now you're gonna draw over it, and you're gonna have the completed product. It doesn't, I mean, this is line art, so it actually does have to be perfect now. So just give me a little time. That's an ear, but yeah, so an ear is just a weird shaped circle. We haven't learned that yet. You guys don't have to draw ears on your character, but don't worry about it. Get the hair down. Sometimes you don't want to draw the bottom half of the triangle, but because like it'll look weird. Get those eyes in there, those beautiful eyes. Get the triangle in, the mouth. And that's the face. You just check, make sure it looks good. Yeah. It's looking pretty good, guys. So there you go. There's that circle turned into a face. Now I think I'll cut ahead, guys, to the finished product, Because honestly, I'm just following the lines now. So, yeah, I'll cut to when we get there. Okay, so here we are, guys, with the finished product. Now, I know it looks a bit different than where we were beforehand, but honestly, that's just because I added a lot more details. I did shrink the resolution a bit just so it fit, because honestly, it's gigantic beforehand. It, but now, like, perfect resolution to print off. I don't know. You could honestly sell this. It's pretty much a masterpiece. Anyways, that's gonna be it for me for me today, guys. Uh, uh, stay, stay, stay healthy. Um, wash your hands with soap and stuff. And if you're going insane because you're all alone or something, just do what I do and cry yourself to sleep. Always seems to work. Makes me feel pretty good. And yeah, see you guys next time.